Let's now explore the jump command, which provides a range of options for navigating your project. Whether it's jumping to specific design objects, locations, or components, this command helps you move seamlessly through your design. The jump command can be found in the Edit menu or by using the keyboard J key. Navigate to the project's panel and open the PCB document. Hit the J key to initiate the jump command. Observe all the different submenus available. Hit the Escape key to close the jump menu. To jump to the current origin, press the J, O keys. To jump to a specific location, press the J, L keys. Then enter the X, Y coordinates within the Jump to Location dialog. Please observe the cursor now has jumped to the entered coordinates. To jump to a component using its reference designator, press the J, C keys. Enter U1 into the resulting component designator dialog and press OK. The cursor will jump to the component U1. It will zoom and pan only if it's necessary to reach the location of the component in the event it is currently outside the visible area. Please note that selecting components using the jump command will not highlight them. However, you can highlight selected components by choosing them from the PCB panel in the Components section. In this video, we explored the jump command within the PCB environment.